Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Jenny Neural. Prosody rate equals -5%, pitch equals +0 Hz. Hey guys, welcome back. I kinda ignored this best Divoom Ditoo-Pro at first, but yeah, break time equals 450 ms / turns out it's pretty decent. What I liked most, emphasis level equals moderate, was / emphasis, probably this part. I can see why people are recommending it lately. The overall look is break time equals 180 ms / actually really clean, tbh. Nothing too flashy, but it looks modern. I was expecting it to cost more, tbh. I've seen similar stuff cost way more. Okay, I'm out. Break time equals 180 ms / ngl /prosody /voice /speak